Saffron, the world's most expensive spice, worth more than silver and sometimes even more than gold. But how did just 3 tiny red threads from a single flower become a luxury ingredient worth thousands of dollars per kilogram? Today, we go inside one of the most advanced saffron production facilities on Earth to reveal the full journey from crocus flower to pure red gold.
Every morning during peak harvest season, trucks arrive filled with baskets of fresh crocus flowers. Time is critical. Each flower loses aroma and color if not processed within hours of picking. Inside the facility, teams of workers begin sorting, separating each flower by hand. The real treasure lies deep inside, 3 delicate red stigmas. These tiny strands carry the fragrance, color, and flavor that make saffron the world's most prized spice.
While flowers are handled by hand, automation manages the waste. Robotic arms sweep petals away to avoid cross-contamination. The collected stigmas, still moist and fragile, are weighed with micro-precision. Every gram matters. In the quality lab, experts use microscopes and LED inspection lamps to check color depth, shape, and aroma compounds. Only the deepest shades of crimson qualify as premium-grade saffron.
The defining moment for saffron happens during drying. Too little heat, and saffron stays weak. Too much, and it becomes bitter, losing its soul. Workers spread the threads across perforated racks, preparing them for highly controlled drying chambers. Technicians monitor graphs and temperature curves on touch screens. It's a science of patience, balancing heat, time, and airflow to create maximum aroma and longevity.
Once dried, the saffron passes through a UV sterilization tunnel, ensuring microbial safety without altering natural fragrance. Then, lab scientists analyze aroma and purity using gas chromatography. Every batch is certified not by assumption, but by measurable chemical profiles. This is how farms turn into industry and how tradition meets technology. After certification, saffron enters the packaging hall, a place where robotics and craftsmanship merge. Each vial is filled with exactly 1 or 2 grams, never more, never less. Security holograms and QR-coded tags ensure full traceability from farm to customer. On the inspection line, workers verify every single jar under specialized lighting. Unlike mass-market spices, this is treated like jewelry.
The jars are placed inside velvet-lined luxury gift boxes designed for high-end retail. Boxes are heat-sealed, untouched by human hands, then palletized by industrial robots. Saffron is stored in temperature-controlled vaults to protect its aroma and color profile. This is not ordinary inventory. This is red gold.
Export teams validate documentation for global gourmet markets, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and luxury food suppliers. Forklifts load air cargo containers. Saffron travels by air, not sea, to preserve freshness and value. Once it reaches distribution hubs, it's sorted like premium perfume, not like regular spices. Whether displayed in a premium retail store under golden spotlights or delivered directly to top chefs around the world, saffron is presented as a luxury ingredient, not a commodity. Every jar undergoes professional product photography because presentation is part of its value.
3 red threads from a flower, harvested by hand, tested in the lab, perfectly dried, protected by technology, and delivered to the world as a symbol of heritage, craftsmanship, and luxury. This is the journey of saffron, the spice that became red gold.
This This saffron batch has excellent thread length. Look at the uniformity. The color is vibrant, no impurities. I have it.
Part of the foam can thing. We're keeping the same curves back from you. Part of the foam can thing. We're keeping the same curves back from you.
Check the weight again, 2.1 grams, perfect. Seal is intact. Barcode verified.
Check seal on crate 4. Confirm barcode matches batch log. All clear on left stack. Proceeding to right.
This saffron batch has excellent thread length. Look at the uniformity. The color is vibrant, no impurities. I have it.